Hello everybody and welcome to Boom Beach. First thing, I want to say thank you to Bria and Julian for subscribing to my channel because this is my first time actually doing one and they subscribed first. So thank you to those two, and just gonna go ahead and upgrade this. Let me show you guys some of my attacks. Start here. So we're gonna go from this side, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Then we have this one. And all of these, I did these ones this morning. Like all of them. They were all this morning. Oh, this guy is fun. Oh wait, let me show you stage 1 first. Easy, right? Yeah. Now look at stage 2. Then we have this guy. He got me with the name, not gonna lie. And now keep in mind how easy stage 1 and stage 2 of Dr. T was. Now look at this. Look at this. Like, I'm not attacking to win, I'm just showing you this. Just the rocket launcher alone. Like all my gunboat energy. Still does nothing. And then her. Oh, not to mention the boom cannon right here. Well, that's all for today, guys, and I think I'm gonna make another video and upload it later. Like, I'll just see how the day goes from here. So, thanks for watching, and I guess I will see you guys later.